If you like this graphic and want to learn more, keep on watching. Okay, so I want to first take you into the membership. We're going to go down to the exclusive bonuses, and then we're going to head on over to the social media templates. I'm going to pick out one of the newest ones that we have, and I'm going to pick out the Instagram story bundle. And with these, all you have to do is use the template, and you don't have to make a copy. All you have to do is change the name and you're good to go. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down until I can find a quote graphic that I want to use. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to go over to my upload section and then go over to video and then select device and pick an image that I want to add to the Instagram story. And once that's uploaded, it will show inside of the uploads folder, and it may take a couple of minutes for it to upload depending on the size and how long it is, but it will get on there. Once your video is uploaded, you can then drag and drop it onto your graphic. You can then just drag and place your graphic the way you want it by just double clicking on to your image, and then you can preview it just by clicking on the arrow. Finally, go ahead and make your quote just the way you like it with your brand colors and your brand fonts. To keep your Instagram story just under one slide, you want to go ahead and trim some of the video. So select your video and then you'll see where you can edit your video. There will be a scissors icon. Click on that and then you can trim it down to 15 seconds or less. And if you select your trim, you can actually drag it to where you want it to start and where you want it to end. Once you have your Instagram story just the way you like it, preview it again and then go ahead and download. You can do this by heading over to download and then making sure to click on the page number that you want. And make sure that it's on the MP4 video file and then hit download. And there you go, you have an animated Instagram story.